Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, September 30th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we're having breakfast pizza. For lunch, teriyaki chicken. Announcements. Attendance. Please continue to post attendance in Schoology. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear a mask at all times other than eating. Students, it's part of your uniform. Make sure you bring it from home. Grades. Grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Refer to the grading parameters and make sure you are on track with entering grades. We are closing in on the last 2 weeks of the quarter. You also will need to be manually syncing your grades. Make sure your PowerSchool and your Schoology match. If you need assistance with this, you can see Miss Gibbs. We will get you fixed up. HMH growth measure. We still have a few students that have not finished. They need to do that immediately. Late duty today is Miss Battaglia. School fundraiser is still happening. If you bring in your envelope with your prize code, you will get a prize. So send that down in your snack bag. Important dates. October 4th is reading PLT. October 6th, the ACAP reflection form is due. October 8th is the last day of the first quarter. October 11th is teacher work day. October 11th is also the date that the PLP is due. October 12th, we start the second quarter. Our word of the day is factor. Factors are the whole numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. So in this equation that it shows, 2 times 6 equals 12. The 2 and the 6 are the factors. 2 is a factor and 6 is a factor of 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get the product. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.